Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is just a quick guide for anyone who's having problems with Game Pass. When installing games, you're not getting any sound. So basically, the simple answer is just shut down your computer and turn it back on. A restart doesn't work. You have to physically shut down your computer, leave it off for say 10 seconds or so, then turn it back on. It doesn't happen for games that are already installed, but if you install a new game and you attempt to play it and it doesn't have sound, that's the solution. There are other things people have suggested to try, but so far I've had 100% success with a shutdown and then turn your computer back on. Anyway, I like to keep it nice and short, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you next time.